Is Holly here with Melody Lane Inspired. I know one of the things that everybody looked forward to was Melody each week would take you through and show you the new images. So I'm like, I want to see what's new. So I was like, why don't I take you guys along with me while we find out what's new? All right. This is the Magic Dust Trails image set, and it is so you can leave a sparkle wherever you go. How cute. Oh, I love this one. I would have used that one on the Disney Digital Mystery Box. I would have put that little wand in Melody's hand. It's like spread some pixie dust wherever you go. These are super cute with the butterflies and the dandelions flying. And a butterfly leaving a little bit of magic. Those are so cute. I love butterflies and sparkles, so put butterflies and sparkle together and I am sold. Let's see what else. We have cute little wolf. So here we got this little wolf guy. My son, a wolf is his favorite animal. Even since he was little, he would have loved these. I would put a little guy on a shirt for him. Looks like we got some transportation images. Whether you're a land, sea, or air type of person, looks like they have an image for you here. Some track and field monograms. Bless those people who are runners because that is not me, okay? I'm like, how do they do it? Like, my lungs burn like fire. They always have. Always have. I'm like, how do people just run and run? But props to you guys that do. Ooh, we have some shabby chic laundry room signs. I feel like lots of times a laundry room gets missed. It's something people don't think about decorating. I know mine's decorated. Something about like laundry today or naked tomorrow. Pretty sure that's what my sign says. So here is some ways to dress up that laundry room. Loads of fun. Oh, wait. Actually, this is reminding me that I have a load in the washer that I need to put into the dryer. First, I put the load in, forgot to start it and put the soap in. Then I did it, and now I literally forgot it. I was like, wait, laundry. I was doing that. I was definitely doing that. And we also have some karate illustrations. This is for all your karate and kung fu guys. My little boy used to do this many years ago. So there is some karate images for you. These might not all be new this week. We haven't had time to look at all the new images. Here's some more karate sensei phrases. This kid can kick it. I'm the sensei, do what I say. I like that. Aw, forget being a princess. I want a black belt. That's cute. Now we got some doggy sketches. Cute. Shiba Inu. Aw. Cozy cabin t-shirts. Ooh, 45 of these. I love these. These would have been perfect in Gatlinburg in the cabin. The cabin, a great place to hibernate. Ain't that true? The best memories are made at the cabin. That's true. The cabin, the lake, the beach. I'd rather be at the cabin too. What happens at the cabin stays at the cabin. Very cute. Gonna scream in nature for a while. Cabin guy, because it's too people-y outside, right? I think even during COVID, more people were way into camping. Like, keep us away from people. We can be antisocial, but still get out. We have some beautiful nature icons. Some vet phrases here. 45 of them. Trust me, I'm a dog tour. Today's a beautiful day to save animals. It really is. Every day's a beautiful day to save animals. I'm always that person that, like, even if it's a spider, even though my son and husband are terrified, I'm like, no, I'm going to set it free. Because all animals deserve to live. This is funny. Vet, because people are gross. That's awesome. And we got some Wild West stuff. This stuff would be awesome for doing a Wild West party. You got the cow, you got the cacti, you You got some cowboy boots and a horseshoe and even an outhouse. Some ballroom dancing partners. And Batman. Oh, the new Batman movie's out. My son is into all the superhero movies, so I say he speaks fluent Marvel. He knows all the stuff. I don't know. I don't usually make him through them. But Batman, I've always loved Batman. We call our basement the Bat Cave. To the Bat Cave. Employee appreciation gift tags. Let's check these out. It is super important to always appreciate your employees. Good luck finding better colleagues than us. Thank you for never making me regret hiring you. But how cute would that be to get something with that? Would that not just make you smile? It would make your day. One step closer to world domination. Aw, hope this pairs well with your promotion. How cute would that be to put on something to let them know? We do not know what we would do without you. Cute. I think being your employee is enough of a gift. You're welcome. Cute. One thing we can always do, guys, show appreciation to your employees. What? We have a Harry Potter? Harry Potter! Oh man, we got 67 images in this. We are going to have some Harry. We're going to have some Hermione. We are going to have some Lucius Malfoy. Oh, so many. The Weasley twins. I actually met them at a Comic-Con. I have their signatures. My daughter a couple years ago wanted her room redone to Harry Potter, so that's what we did. We got Hagrid. You got to have Dumbledore there. And Snape. We got to find Professor Snape. I have a life-size cardboard cutout of Professor Snape in my basement. My daughter loves him. Loves him. She was so saddened by his passing. Some Hogwarts. You gotta have the Ravenclaw and the Golden Stitch. Voldemort. The name we cannot speak of. There's Snape. Professor Snape. And no Harry Potter is complete without the boy who lived himself, Harry Potter. Dobby! Somebody gave him a sock, so he is free now. Oh, it's got Headless Nick. Look at all of them. There's so many here, guys. Luna Love. Oh, good. Very cool. Slytherin, Ravenclaw, Ron Weasley. It goes on and on. And Moana, we have 13 printable images from Moana. Ha, Hey Hey. I absolutely love Hey Hey. Hey Hey is like the star of the show, just looking like a crazy little chicken running around. So I think that's about it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed your time with me, and I will see you guys next time to see what's new. Until then, happy crafting.